All right. So now somebody was asking me a question. Let me go ahead. So that's the first thing, is to get into the WBIC. That's the first thing. Okay. That's where I'm going to be doing a lot of big picture mindset shift stuff to help you accomplish the goals that you say you want. Okay. Kind of like what we did today, but extended and continuous training for that. Cool. Then we get into the mechanism. Okay, cool. Now that I help you change your mindset, how do I help you get to there? What are the things I'm going to be teaching you? So now we get into the actual stock market classes. All right. So I have several classes. I have a Wolf of Wall Street class. That one is a 12-week live class where I will hold your hand and teach you 8 different ways to make money in the stock market. So that way, all the goals that you just said you wanted, now you have a mechanism, a tool, or actually 8 of them, for accomplishing the stuff that you said that you wanted. That's the Wolf of Wall Street course. Okay. It also is in my TikTok shop. Or you can go to my website, Stock Ops Trading Academy. Okay. I also have a specific strategy called the W strategy, and that is a way for you to make money almost every day in the stock market, because I teach a specific thing to look for. I teach specific stocks that you need to use with it, and then I give you the whole instruction of how to do it. Okay, so that's the W strategy. Then there's the beginner's course. Okay, the beginner's course teaches you how to make your very first options trade in the stock market. Okay, because sometimes the universe is gonna bless me to bless y'all, and I'll be like, hey y'all, you need to get into this stock, and because it's gonna go up, and you guys are gonna know, oh, go up, I know I need to buy a call. Or I'm gonna tell you, hey, this stock is gonna go down. Oh, down, that means I'm gonna do. So you guys already know that from the free information I give you, right? So when I give you a freebie, you're gonna know what to do with it. All right, and how to make money off of it. Okay, that is, it says 16 per month. Don't see, Simon, you have to get into the community. You have to get into the community to get the other resource. Okay, anybody who's in the community gets the resources and everything in there for free. Okay, if you're not in the community, membership has its privileges. Y'all remember that? You remember that, right? Okay, cool. So now, then you have the beginner's course for options, and let me say this. The Wealth Builder Inner Circle is not for everybody. So if there's somebody who's sitting there like, oh my God, that's too much, it's not for you. It's not for you. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. Okay, cool. You understood. Okay, good. All right. Then there is the beginner's course for stocks. That's the course where we get paid every single Friday from the stock market. Okay, so everybody in here, we get paid every single Friday like clockwork from the stock market. So that class, the beginner's course for stocks, is the one that gets you paid every single Friday. Okay, it tells you where to put your money and what stocks to buy and how to buy them so that you can make money consistently every single week. Okay, so now there is a wide range of courses that I provide if you want my help to help you get there faster. Okay, there are some people that don't want it, that don't want help, they don't want fast passes, they want to figure it out themselves, they want to go figure out YouTube, they want to go to YouTube University. By all means, do what you got to do. But if you want me to help you, right, and you know me and you see me and I'm coming up here giving free information, you should be like, dang, if she gives all this away for free, what does she give me if I pay? So if that's you, then you want to go ahead and decide which one of my classes is the best one for you. Oh, and by the way, I have a whole bunch of charting classes, how to read stock charts.